Let's cut to the chase. You're balancing work, classes, and life, yet social media still hijacks your study time. Why? Dopamine. Your brain craves quick hits from endless scrolling, while studying feels like a chore. But you can rewire this. Here's how, tailored for your chaotic schedule, with a story to prove it. The relatable story. Meet Emma. Emma works 20 hours a week at a cafe, attends night classes, and collapses in a bed each night exhausted. During breaks, she scrolls TikTok, dreading her accounting homework. One day, she discovers dopamine hacking. Week 1, she swaps her 10-minute morning scroll for a dopamine detox. On the bus, staring out the window, no phone. It's agony at first, but soon her mind feels calmer. Week 2, she uses her 30-minute lunch break for micro-study sessions. 15 minutes of focused reading, timed by a Pomodoro app, then a 5-minute walk, a reward. She connects accounting to her cafe job, analyzing daily sales. Suddenly, numbers feel relevant. Week 3, she ditches highlighters for a gamified study app, earning points to buy coffee treats. She whispers explanations of supply chains to herself while restocking cups, turning work into revision. Month 1, Emma's phone use drops. She aces a quiz, and her manager notices her improved problem solving. Studying no longer feels like a burden. It's a puzzle she's eager to solve. The science-backed strategy. 1. Dopamine detox. For people who don't have time. Mini resets. Use existing downtime, commutes, coffee breaks, or waiting in line to unplug. Even 5 minutes of quiet, no screens, resets your brain's craving for novelty. Replace, don't eliminate. Swap one daily scroll session with a walk or people watching. Small wins matter. 2. Study sprints, not marathons. Micro Pomodoro. Try 15-minute focus bursts with 3-minute rewards. Stretch, snack, or a meme after the timer ends. Use apps like Forest to gamify focus. Active learning hacks. Turn passive reading into engagement. Use voice memos to teach concepts during your commute or workout. 3. Link learning to your life. Real-world connections. Studying marketing. Analyze your workplace's customer interactions. In psychology, observe coworker dynamics. Relevance equals dopamine. Career fuel. Frame each study session as a step toward a promotion or skill. Visualize your goals with sticky notes. This spreadsheet skill could get me a raise. 4. Instant rewards that fit your schedule. Micro rewards. After each study sprint, enjoy a square of chocolate, a TikTok scroll, timed, or a victory dance. Progress tracking. Use apps like Habitica to turn tasks into RPG quests. Unlock a Netflix episode after 3 study wins. 5. Tech to the rescue. Audio notes. Record summaries to listen to while closing up the cafe or folding laundry. Flashcard apps. Quizlet or Anki for 5-minute review sessions between shifts. The mindset shift. Your brain isn't lazy. It's addicted to easy dopamine. By studying with curiosity, how does this topic explain my world? And embracing micro sessions, you'll rewire cravings. Emma didn't quit her job or find extra hours. She hacked her existing time. Start tonight. Detox for 5 minutes post-dinner. No screens. Try one 15-minute study sprint with a fun reward. In 2 weeks, you'll reach for notes instead of your phone. Why? Because studying becomes a game you're winning. Your turn. Which hack will you try first? Share below and tag a busy student worker who needs this. P.S. For more time crunch study strategies, subscribe. I drop tips every week to turn chaos into mastery.